Hi, my name is Andrew from Virgin Island Brokers. I'm a liveaboard cruiser, and as you can see, I'm in my engine room today. And I have got a generator problem. I've got water spraying out over everywhere on my generator, and we are going to look at fixing it. So that's the neat thing about Virgin Island Yacht Brokers is we can help you with these kind of things. As I say, I've been a liveaboard cruiser for the last 5 years, and I've got a fair bit of knowledge on a lot of different systems on the boat and how to fix them and everything. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I can definitely work through and get the job done most times. So today I'll show you what we're up against. Right here, this silver pipe right along here. This generator is about 3 years old. On the back side of this pipe, there's a pinhole leak, which I fixed with JB Weld a few years ago. And the company that I bought the generator from, they sent a new one. And we are going to install it today. Looks fairly straightforward. We've got 2 Allen bolts right up here, Allen key bolts. Got to undo that, and then we've got one more down here, and then on the back side over here we've got the temperature sensor, the exhaust temperature sensor that needs to go back on. So all in all, the fix should take, I don't know, 15-20 minutes or so, and we will get her done. But I could tell there was water in the, you can still see a little bit of water in the generator case there. That was what was there. Kind of piqued my interest of why there was water, and found that it was coming out there again. So let's get to it. Okay, so those bolts are out, 2 different sizes, and this is out. You can see right here, it was my old JB Weld fix, and there would be a new hole somewhere in there, because it was definitely coming out there. Anything else is good in there? But yeah, that's what I fixed last time, and it held. I'll have to take this sensor out here. It's always nice to have a spare, so I'll definitely remove that, because there was nothing wrong with that sensor. So anytime you can kind of keep spare parts on your boat, that would be great. And there we go. So that's the old one, and here's the new one. So no JB Weld on that one. Everything looks good. So we'll get started up, see what happens.
So you can see the generator is up and running with no leaks. Thank you for watching. It's Andrew, the cruiser's broker from Virgin Island Yacht Brokers. And I'm here to help with all aspects of your boat purchase or sale. And then, once you're out on the water, I can help you as well. Remember Virgin Island Yacht Brokers for all your brokerage needs. And this could be you out on the water. This is our boat in front of the Sandals Resort in Antigua.